The Neuroscience Platform is part of Center for Interdisciplinary Research in Health Sciences of the Universidade Católica Portuguesa, which holds 65 integrated senior researchers. In the Neuroscience Platform, we develop research topics such as sign language and deafness, cognition, brain-machine interfaces, stimulation in aging and dementia, language and acquisition, atypical communication, perception of pain, mind, brain and education, and the impact of digital technologies on social, cognitive and mental health. The Neuroscience Platform has a unique lab, the NICE Lab, a Neuroscience for Innovation, Communication and Education lab, where 10 integrated researchers and 12 collaborators develop their research around the creation of brain-machine interfaces, transferring discoveries from neuroscience to the school environment with the dissemination of science in schools and accredited training for education, developing tools for professionals to assess and promote the well-being of people with language problems, and developing strategies for assessment and rehabilitation of people with brain injuries, and also understanding pain mechanisms and chronic pain. We also study sign languages in the deaf brain and create materials for deaf learners.
NICE Lab conducts multidisciplinary research in health, where several scientific domains cross, such as neuroscience, communication, language, and education. Our lab is more than 15 research projects funded by national and international competitive funds at more than 1 million euros. Our lab also supports research carried out by PhD students. Our team conducts advanced research and gathers scientific evidence in different and associated research areas, such as on the machine learning field, our researchers explore the criteria for benchmarking exoskeletons and humanoid robots to determine to what extent these are prepared for more widespread use. In the functional cognition field, our researchers analyze how children and populations with cognitive impairment integrate their thinking and processing skills to accomplish everyday activities. In the field of deconstruction, perception, and communication of pain, we research the impact of emotions on the mechanisms of acute and chronic pain. In the mind-brain education field, we explore the connections between the mind and the brain in teaching and learning processes, based on neurosciences and psychology knowledge. In the stimulation in aging and dementia research area, our team develops research on cognitive processes, cognitive reserve, and cognitive status in the aging population and population with dementia. In this field, we also explore the impact of music on cognition. In our lab, we developed different research topics related to deafness. We collected and annotated signed corpora that provide linguistic data for animator signer and grammatical rules for the written-to-sign translation system. Our emergent sign corpus provide data to feed the research on language evolution. We also carry out research on sign and oral language acquisition and development in deaf children with and without cochlear implants. A common goal of several studies of our lab is analyzing the impact of digital technologies on social, cognitive and mental health, to improve the implication in the use of digital tools by human beings.